Welcome to GEMS Arts and Science College, Padamapuram, Malappuram District, Kerala. Established in 2008, the Multimedia Department stands as a beacon of innovation and excellence. The department offers a BA in Multimedia program with a focus on visual communication and mass communication and journalism under the University of Calicut. We are proud to be the first in Kerala to offer this comprehensive multimedia course. Our team comprises 6 industry experienced faculty members, including a dedicated lab assistant, all committed to providing the best education and guidance to our students. Our department is renowned for academic excellence, producing numerous rank holders each year. Over the past 3 years, 18 students have earned top ranks, consistently achieving high pass percentages in university examinations. We boast state-of-the-art infrastructure with air-conditioned multimedia workstations, 40 high-configuration desktop computers, and projectors, sound systems. Our curriculum includes leading graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and video editing tools such as Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and FCP, as well as web design software like Adobe XD and Dreamweaver, and 3D modeling and animation with Adobe Maya. Our e-content development center and multimedia studio are equipped for chroma keying, indoor photography, and video shoots, featuring advanced lighting technology, cameras, microphones, and high-configuration desktop computers for editing. We have a separate air-conditioned audio dubbing studio with facilities for sound recording and editing, including Mac desktops, microphones, audio mixers, and pianos. Our AI-integrated language training facility enhances students' communication skills with the help of a personal AI avatar trainer. Our smart classrooms feature Google Television and a Wi-Fi network, providing an advanced learning environment for our students. We stay ahead of the curve with add-on courses in AR, VR, and metaverse development technology. Additionally, we offer free certificate courses in various multimedia fields annually. Our department hosts national webinars, seminars, and workshops with prominent figures in multimedia and journalism as a part of participatory learning. Experiential learning programs include short film and documentary production, project work, multimedia competitions, and exhibitions. Inside our campus, you'll find a state-of-the-art digital library, a comprehensive stack room, a serene reading room, and extensive newspaper archives, and a research discussion hall. And also, we have well-equipped Dolby Atmos theatre facility for visual presentation. And our college has a well-equipped indoor multi-gym and an outdoor gymnasium for students to work out and warm up. We also offer a yoga center for yoga training and practice, a volleyball court, a badminton court, a playground, and a cricket practice net, as well as a bicycle for cycling for students' athletic and sporting activities. We also have hostel facilities for girls students and transportation facilities for all students from all the major cities in the Malappuram district. Join us, students who have passed +2 or an equivalent examination in any stream with a minimum of 45% marks are eligible to apply for our program. GEMS Arts and Science College, pioneering multimedia education in Kerala. For more information, visit our website or contact us.